What's going on? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today is a raw vlog day. Yes, I am vlogging on a lockdown day, but I thought my motorcycle should get geared up. Am I traveling during this situation? You'll know that in this vlog, so keep watching. But first, we need to have some coffee. So coffee is ready, but the first thing I need to do is I need to change the cover of my mobile. This is literally my 8th or 9th tempered glass which I am adding. अभी ये भी गिर चुका है, so it has scratched a lot. So I'm changing this. This is a nice guard. It's decent enough for basic, but if it falls from a motorcycle, so as you can see, it's chipped from here, it's chipped from down, and it's always important that whenever there are some chips, change the tempered glass. It's very important. This is my tactical cover which I had bought it when I had got the OnePlus, so I'm putting it back in this. Ride is gonna be hardcore and long, right? It's about the mobile phone, so this is how my phone looks now. But coffee is first. Drip machine 900cc recommended, and yeah, Ride with Raj ka mug mil gaya. A lot of people still want me to change my channel name to Ride with Raj. Comment down below if you want that channel name. I'll get that back. Now let's get back to business. 1,45,000 cases of COVID in India, which is not a good sign. That's why Mumbai has a lockdown curfew from 8 o'clock on weekdays. Today is a weekend. And why am I changing my motorcycle handlebar? Let's go and check the motorcycle. It's in a cafe racer mode, which I really like when I'm doing city ride or breakfast rides. I really like this handlebar setup. I can lean this bike much better and everything, but oh, one thing is missing. Wait, back to touring mode because I am going to Goa. Yeah, I have some official work as well as some kind of a property work. Basically, I have work and that's why I'm going. And I thought now that I'm going to Goa, I should chill there and my bike should get the touring things, such as my touring seat. Wow, that's the metal seat falling on my marble. So I had already unboxed this. The reason I put it back, thinking lockdown I will not travel, but I'm happy. I'm taking total care. I'll be doing my test and everything, then only I will be going. So I'm responsible enough, and if it's positive, 14 days of quarantine actually in my own house. So that's why new saddlebags with new logo, new design, new reflectors. I've done a video on this. If you've not checked, check that out. Besides that, I'm adding the grab rail. The reason this is so that I can tie things to it. In between, I have to take coffee break also. Adding my black rubber grips, and not to forget stock handlebar. A lot of people still ask me which handlebar this is. This is a stock handlebar. I'll be adding this. Nice finisher kits for the handlebar. And how can I forget my Casio watch, which I have since decades. Besides, the Himalayan visor with the brackets of MK Design will also go on my motorcycle. The brackets are with Vishal. It's a lockdown, so I can't go visit him. Monday I will pick them up and add them to my touring setup. Well, this all goes on the motorcycle. You all even ask me, is it a hectic process of changing the handlebar? It does not take more than 15 minutes of your time to change it. It's a very simple thought process, okay? I really thought there's going to be lockdown. I really thought I won't be able to ride long. It'll be only in the city or breakfast rides, and that's why I prefer the Brat style drag bars on my motorcycle. However, I got an opportunity to ride to Goa, so doing that. Okay, so that's how this hot cafe racer looks like. If I'm able to go to Goa, this will be the third time I'll be going to Goa. First thing I will do is I'll change the handlebar and I'll change the seat. Then I'll put the grab bar. The front visor will take time because I don't have the brackets. They have with Vishal. The very first thing we need to remove is basically this, and then loosen this and remove the handlebar. I collect the right side pieces on the right side, left side on the left side. Good time you can even service your throttle body. But something is wrong with my returning cable. One is returning cable and one is the acceleration. Okay, you know, this time when I come back from Goa, I will make sure I'll put some holes on the other side, and I just have to turn the drag bar this way and it'll be more like a clip-on, right? Look crazy ass. Okay, this is the worst situation. This is the worst nightmare. This screw was wrongly put here. So well, now you can at least get an idea how this bike looks when it's in a touring mode. Obviously, luggage will be here, which I will show you all in my next vlog. There are some mods I am confused between my new visor, which I've customized for Royal Enfield, or should I put the Himalayan one. So let's see which one goes on. Okay, so confusion is basically, this is what I did to the Royal Enfield visor, which looks really neat. Basically, I removed the steel plate which was on it, and this looks more neat. However, the Himalayan one with the MK design bracket is higher. It's a bit taller, better for even protecting the mobile phone, which I am supposed to add also the holder. Part of the touring mode, which I didn't show. These are the baffles for AEW 102, which will be going in the exhaust. My cute little side mirrors, okay. इस पे मैंने वीडियो किया था. So I do have a nice set of touring mirrors. I have the other silver mirrors which you've seen in past. I have stock mirrors also. These are wonderful mirrors. However, I prefer bar end mirrors. I'm a big sucker for these, but they kind of really help for riding also. So lockdown में भी emergency service पे विशाल आ रहा है मेरे rescue के लिए, and yes, he's got a special instrument which can actually remove the screw out. We're gonna struggle. Let's see how it goes on. All the touring modes are not complete. Obviously, there are a couple of parts which I am designing. Right now, I just met these guys down. Also successfully done a fitting of my rear view mirror. One of them, the second one is here, which had got bent. If you guys remember, the bike had crashed, and I've straightened this also. Well, there are plenty of more things coming. Touring mods properly coming. So I'll do a touring mods video. And I think the best part is that I'm kind of designing this. So see you guys with a new vlog. I'm really excited because the beast I'm gonna ride on Tuesday is insane. Obviously, vlog will be dropped. See you guys soon with a new vlog.